In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Clickup, the everything app for work that's been making waves for its ability to streamline project management and enhance team communication. Clickup has been a game changer for many, and today we're diving into one of its fundamental features, chatting. Whether you're new to Clickup or looking to improve your efficiency on the platform, this guide is tailored for you. First and foremost, let's get you logged into your Clickup account. Start by navigating to Clickup's home page. You'll find it filled with all the insights on what Clickup has to offer, but for now let's focus on getting you in. Look for the login or sign up option, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and it will redirect you to the login screen. At this stage, you'll need to enter your email address. It's essential that this is the email you registered with, as it's your unique identifier in Clickup's system. Once you've typed in your email, press enter or click on the next field to proceed to the password section. Here's where you input the password you created for your Clickup account. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's usually a password reset link nearby. Remember, keeping your passwords secure and unique is vital for protecting your workspaces. After entering your credentials, you're ready to log in. Look for the login button and give it a click. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Clickup workspace. This is where all your projects, tasks, and importantly for today's tutorial, chats are organized. Now it's time to start a new chat. On your Clickup workspace's homepage, locate and click on the New button. This button is typically represented with a plus sign, plus, and is your gateway to everything new. Tasks, documents, and of course chats. Upon clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Here you want to select Chat. This option is specifically for starting new chat conversations within your Clickup workspace. Clicking on this will begin the process of creating a new chat channel. Next, you'll proceed to add details to your new chat. This might include naming your chat for easy identification, assigning it to a specific project or space within Clickup, and adding members of your team who you want to have in this chat. Take your time to fill out these details thoughtfully. A well-named and well-placed chat can drastically improve your team's efficiency and ensure the right people are in the loop from the get-go. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information and added all the members you want in your chat, look for the Create Chat button. This is the final step in the process, and clicking this button will officially create your chat within Clickup. You're now ready to start communicating with your team more efficiently than ever. A quick tip before we wrap up: Clickup is highly customizable, so don't be afraid to explore the settings within your chat. You can add tags, set priorities, or even link tasks to keep everyone on the same page. The power of Clickup chats lies not just in their ability to facilitate quick communication, but also in their integration with the broader project management tools Clickup offers. In conclusion, mastering Clickup chats is a significant step towards streamlining your communication and project management processes. Remember, the goal is not just to chat, but to enhance productivity and keep your team aligned on common objectives. With the steps we've covered today, you're well on your way to becoming a Clickup Chat Pro. Feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore more of what Clickup has to offer beyond just chatting. Happy clicking, and here's to your success on Clickup.